Okay, so in the last video we saw how to install SQL Server 2014 Express Edition. In this video we are going to see like how can you install SQL 2014 Express Edition. So first of all, let's take a look. I got many instances on my machine. All of them are mostly of SQL 2008, and the 2014 is the selected one which we install today. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start with uninstallation. So these are the steps you need to follow. Pretty simple. First, you will go to Control Panel. You will find the right file for an uninstallation. If you follow along, then there will be no mess. Otherwise, there will be a problem, right? So this is the file. You go to Control Panel. You go to uninstall a program, and then you right click, and then you say you want to uninstall. So there you get an option to remove. Now SQL Server, this uninstallation file will find where the uninstallation files are kept. It's gonna give you a wizard, so you can uninstall this Express Edition from your machine. So now this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna pause. Alright, so we are back, and now it is asking me that what are the things we're gonna uninstall. So this is something which we installed. Alright, so I'm gonna choose next. Now it is going to ask me like what are the features I would like to remove. So please remember, we install the SQL agent, and we also install the SQL 2014 Management Studio. So what I'm gonna do is at present I don't want anything, right? So I'm gonna choose everything, whatever I have installed, I want everything to be out. So in your environment, based on your needs, alright, you need to remove the necessary components. Alright, and you can see over here when you remove a component, so it tells you like what exactly you're removing here. Alright, so I'm gonna hit next, and now it's gonna start preparing everything, that what components it's going to remove. So again, this is gonna take a while, few steps here, and I got some warnings, so this is something I can skip. And now this is the final thing. It's showing us the summary, and it's telling us like what we are removing, what's we're gonna remove. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the remove button. Alright, and now this process will start, and this is, believe me, this is gonna be again a longest process. This is gonna take at least 20 to 25 minutes on my machine. If your machine has a good configuration, it may take, I guess, 10 or 15. So I'm gonna pause this thing, alright, and I'm gonna come back when this gets over. Alright, I'm back, and you can see the SQL 2014 has been completely uninstalled successfully. So you can see everything is done. Now let's close this thing, and remember, this is the SQL Server Configuration Manager. So let's see, if let me refresh, I'm pretty sure this guy will go away. So let's refresh. Okay, there was some problem. Why? What happened? Alright, okay, that was 2014, right? So that's why. And let's do the refresh here. Let's go back. Let's uninstall a program. So you can see like most of the things are gone. Only now on my machine I have the 2008 files, and which is required. So now even this is okay if I don't remove this, because this is not gonna hurt much. But if I try to remove this manually, it is gonna ask me, do I need also to uninstall 2008 R2? So it is going to impact 2008 as well. So whatever is done by the SQL Server, it's okay, right? Now let's see all the directories which were created by 2014. So you can see I had a folder of SQL Server 2014 here. It's gone now, and all I have is my SQL Server 2008 as it is. So nothing is impacted as much. So basically 2014 is gone, right? And I can also verify that using my services.msc. So I'm pretty sure there was an agent for SQL Express 2014. It would have been gone. So yep, this is the SQL, right? So you can see these are my 4 agents. This is Express. This was the old one. We had SQL 2014 Express edition. So that's gone now. Okay. So we have, uninstalled SQL successfully, and now I'm gonna get an error over here because my services are down. So what I'm gonna do is, what am I trying to connect here? Cool service, right? So I'm gonna start an agent, start. Okay, so this is the old trick in the book. When you try to connect, it doesn't connect and it gives you an error. And once your service is started, and if you now connect, you should be able to. Yep. So so this is my 2008 and it's in good shape. So it's nothing is impacted, everything is good.